Ready to discover the hottest kitchen trends that will transform your space in 2025? From hidden kitchens to bold, earthy colors, we're diving into the latest design ideas that will make your kitchen the star of your home. Stick around to get inspired. Let's make your dream kitchen a reality. Hello everybody, and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest in home design. Today, we're diving into the top 15 kitchen design trends for 2025. Kitchens are more than just cooking spaces. They've become the heart of the home, a place for gathering, creating, and enjoying. And the trends we're seeing for 2025 reflect that beautifully. This year, it's all about blending style with functionality, incorporating sustainable elements, and adding touches of personal luxury. We'll go through each trend, sharing ideas to inspire your next kitchen makeover or refresh. Let's get started. First on the list, we have sustainable materials. In 2025, eco-friendly choices are becoming mainstream in kitchen design. Think reclaimed wood for cabinets, recycled metal for hardware, and even eco-conscious stone or quartz for countertops. These materials not only reduce environmental impact, but also bring a unique, natural warmth into your kitchen. Choosing sustainable materials doesn't just benefit the planet, it adds a story and a purpose to your space, making every inch feel meaningful and rich in character. Next, smart and integrated technology is making a huge impact on modern kitchens. Imagine turning on your oven with a smartphone app, adjusting your lighting to match your mood, or even having a refrigerator that reminds you when you're low on essentials. Integrated technology isn't just about luxury, it's about convenience and efficiency, making cooking and daily tasks smoother and more enjoyable. With touchless faucets, voice-controlled appliances, and smart storage solutions, technology in the kitchen has never been this advanced or this accessible. One of the most elegant trends of 2025 is the concealed kitchen, a design that hides away appliances and storage spaces to create a sleek, uninterrupted look. This trend is all about blending the kitchen seamlessly with the surrounding areas, especially in open-concept homes where the kitchen, dining, and living areas flow together. Imagine a kitchen where your refrigerator, oven, and dishwasher are hidden behind cabinetry that matches the rest of the room's decor. The result? A streamlined, sophisticated space that doesn't look like a traditional kitchen but still offers all the functionality you need. The idea of concealment goes beyond just appliances. Cabinets can be designed with push-to-open mechanisms, eliminating the need for handles, while retractable doors hide everything from countertops to storage shelves, giving you the option to close off your kitchen completely when it's not in use. It's perfect for entertaining. Imagine hosting guests in a space that feels like an elegant lounge, free from any visible cooking clutter. This design also creates a cleaner, more minimalist aesthetic, making it ideal for those who prefer a clutter-free environment. Concealed kitchens help maintain the simplicity and style of the entire home, providing a sophisticated look that's both functional and visually appealing. Whether you're working with a compact urban apartment or a spacious open-plan layout, this trend allows for maximum organization and style, creating a kitchen that's as much about beauty as it is about convenience. Bringing in mixed materials and textures is another exciting trend. This year, we're seeing combinations of wood, metal, stone, and even glass used together to create depth and visual interest. A kitchen with wooden cabinets, marble countertops, and metal accents, for example, feels layered and dynamic. Mixing materials adds richness and warmth, making the kitchen a place where textures and colors work together to create a harmonious design. Another emerging trend for 2025 is curved elements. Gone are the days of purely straight edges and sharp angles. Now, we're seeing curved kitchen islands, rounded cabinets, and even archways as part of kitchen designs. Curves bring a softness that contrasts beautifully with modern finishes, creating a welcoming, organic feel. Whether you go for a fully rounded island or a subtle arch in your cabinetry, curves add elegance and flow to your kitchen. In 2025, kitchen designs are embracing bold, earthy colors to create spaces that feel warm, grounded, and inviting. Moving away from the all-white kitchens of recent years, designers are turning to rich, nature-inspired hues like deep forest green, terracotta, burnt sienna, and clay. These colors bring a sense of depth and warmth, instantly transforming the kitchen into a cozy and welcoming part of the home. Using bold, earthy tones in the kitchen can make cabinetry, walls, or even backsplashes stand out beautifully. For example, dark green cabinets paired with brass or matte black hardware can create a luxurious, yet natural look, while terracotta or rust-colored tiles add texture and warmth. Earth tones are incredibly versatile. They work well with a variety of materials like natural wood, marble, and metal, allowing you to create a cohesive, layered design that feels both modern and timeless. One great way to incorporate earthy colors is by choosing a two-tone cabinet approach, where the lower cabinets are in a bold shade, such as olive green, while the upper cabinets or shelving stay neutral. This balances the intensity of the color, giving the kitchen depth without overwhelming the space. Additionally, earthy tones can be softened with natural light, making the kitchen feel spacious and airy, even with darker hues. These bold, earthy shades also connect the indoor space with nature, creating a sense of calm and tranquility. They pair well with natural textures, think wooden beams, stone countertops, or clay pottery accents, enhancing the organic feel. This palette isn't just a passing trend, it's a shift towards more sustainable, nature-inspired aesthetics that embrace imperfections and the beauty of raw, unprocessed materials. It's all about creating a kitchen that feels inviting, comfortable, and close to nature. One of the most exciting ways to bring personality to your kitchen is through a statement backsplash. Full-height backsplashes in marble, textured tile, or bold patterns can be a real focal point. Think of it as a piece of art in your kitchen. By choosing a backsplash that stands out, you're adding a layer of sophistication and flair that makes the kitchen memorable and visually striking. Large format tiles are changing the look and feel of kitchens. Oversized tiles on the floor or walls create a streamlined look with fewer grout lines, which not only makes the space feel more open but also makes cleaning easier. Large tiles offer a modern, minimalist aesthetic and provide a clean, spacious foundation for the rest of your kitchen design. As people look to create serene and welcoming spaces, natural lighting and open views are becoming a priority. Big windows, open layouts, and connections to outdoor areas help make the kitchen a bright, airy space. This trend emphasizes natural beauty, letting in as much light as possible and creating a sense of openness that uplifts the mood and makes the kitchen a truly enjoyable place to be. The kitchen island is more versatile than ever, with multipurpose islands being a top trend. Islands now serve as dining areas, cooking prep zones, storage, and even workspaces. With options for built-in appliances, extra drawers, and power outlets, these islands have become the hub of kitchen activity. It's all about making the most of your space and maximizing functionality without sacrificing style. For a cleaner, uncluttered look, hidden appliances are in. This trend is all about integrating appliances like refrigerators and dishwashers into the cabinetry so they're out of sight. By hiding these essentials, you achieve a sleek, minimalist kitchen that feels open and organized. It's perfect for anyone who loves the modern, streamlined aesthetic. Warm minimalism is where simplicity meets coziness. It's about combining minimalist design with warm tones and natural textures, like wood and stone, to create a welcoming space. This trend is perfect for those who want a clutter-free kitchen but still want it to feel warm and inviting. It's a style that's both modern and timeless. Reeded and fluted cabinetry is adding a lot of character to 2025 kitchens. With vertical grooves or ridges, these cabinets bring texture and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Whether you choose reeded details on cabinet doors or even on your island, this look adds a unique touch that's both elegant and modern. For those who love drama, high-contrast palettes are a perfect choice. Think of pairing black with white or dark green with light wood. This bold contrast adds sophistication and can make specific areas of the kitchen really stand out. High-contrast designs bring an edge and give the kitchen a dynamic, striking look. Sculptural lighting is turning kitchen lighting into art. Instead of just being functional, lighting fixtures are now statement pieces, often in unique shapes or materials like frosted glass and brushed metals. This trend adds a bit of drama and flair, making the lights a conversation piece in themselves. Let's quickly recap our journey through the top kitchen design trends for 2025. From sustainable materials and concealed kitchens to bold backsplashes and sculptural lighting, there's so much inspiration to explore. These trends highlight a shift towards kitchens that aren't just functional spaces, but true reflections of our personalities and values. Whether you're planning a complete remodel or just looking to refresh your space, remember that even small updates, like a new lighting fixture or a high-contrast backsplash, can bring a fresh look and feel. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which trend are you most excited to try in your kitchen? Drop us a comment below, we're always eager to know your thoughts and ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with others who might be planning their own kitchen updates. Subscribe to HD Interiors and join us as we continue exploring the best in home design. We've got a lot more exciting topics lined up, from bathrooms and bedrooms to outdoor spaces, all designed to bring your living spaces to life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.